Did you know the next generation of millionaires could come from farms, not offices? Farming is no longer old-fashioned, it's smart, profitable, and full of opportunity. Young people's farming is a career of freedom. You can start small, like a vegetable garden, a few chickens or a tank of fish, and grow step by step. Farming uses modern tools, technology, and creativity, and the market is always relevant because everyone eats every day. Farming teaches discipline, responsibility, and innovation. It allows you to create, feed your community, and earn money at the same time. The world needs young farmers who are bold, energetic, and ready to modernize agriculture. Closing hook. The future belongs to those who plant it. Step forward, start farming, and transform your life. If you love this message, like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring farming tips.